Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide add friend request button on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide add friend request button on Facebook, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper right corner. Then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. On left pane, scroll down. Under audience and visibility, click on how people find and contact you. Here you will find the first option, your friends, and you will find an option here who can send you friend request. Click on this option, and here everyone is selected. Just select friends of friends. That means only friends of your friends can send you friend request, not everyone. Now click on save. Now friends of friends is set for who can send you friend request. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.